Hello and welcome once again to Khabula the Tea. On this channel, we bring you nothing but entertainment and trending news, honey. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Kulungile noma ngasengiya kusangana.
Ngizonke ngicela ukunikeza imakhe sengiyahamba.
Hayi hamba.
Because angazi fanele ngithini siqedile ngokuthula.
Uzozenza isilima lana. Hamba manga lana.
Delusional abafazi bami kakhulu bayayakha lento engqondweni zabo baphile nayo iphile kubona ukuthi ngathi ngitreat omunye umuntu nomuntu ngiyamela isuma yena ngithe ngikhuluma naye la wathi ngoba umakhumalo uyangisiza ngiyindoda engaka efanele imele ukusizwa.
I think it is safe to say lo mshado usuphelile njengoba wayethe nje uMusa Mseleku abahambayo sosala sincenga uMayeni is definitely out the door. She is tired and she is fed up of this relationship, this family and the marriage. And if there is definitely going to be a wife that leaves in season 9, it's going to be Umayeni. Let us know what you think in the comment section. And also do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.